that's coming out for some reason.
Maybe it needs to. I don't know.
No, maybe.
We own 15 of these and we still have no idea how it works.
Ow!
What you fucking did. What just broke? It's still working. Oh, no, it's not. It's doing the thing.
Oh.
What did I break? Uh-oh.
It's not supposed to do that.
I ripped the end off of it. Fuck. I gotta get my little, get your fucking little fingers in there and twist that rippy end off. Yeah. We gotta twist that end off.
No, it's fine.
What if we submit a complaint to Harbor Freight if they give us like 15 more? Just twist the end off.
I'll twist your end off. How's that sound?
Jesus. Oh man.
What do you think about that?
I'm not supposed to rip one of those in half. I'm not.
Here. Well, now I can't take this fucking thing off. Hold on. Well, yeah, we got plenty of those studs.
Well, do whatever you did to that one.
Right.
To this one.
Well, don't do whatever you did to this one to that one.
Oh, this one's working now.